Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Renegade Industrial Multifunction Rotary Tool. Let's check it out. If you need a precision tool to help you with those intricate tasks, these rotary tools have you covered. These tools feature variable speed control, allowing you to match the exact rotational speed to the material. You can choose low speeds for delicate polishing or plastics, and high speeds for hard cutting and steel grinding. With no load speeds from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, you can really tailor the speed to your task. Different tasks demand a different type of grip. When cutting, cleaning or grinding, you may want to grip with the palm of your hand. However, if your work requires fine accuracy, the included flexible drive shaft transforms handling capability. It features a slim, ergonomic pen-like grip, providing superior hand control, which drastically reduces your wrist fatigue during lengthy, detailed engraving or carving tasks. Tailoring controlled power to suit your task is easy with these rotary tools. You could choose from no-load speeds of 8,000 RPM up to 35,000 RPM. And with the efficient 170 watt electric motor, these tools provide consistent torque across a wide range of applications. The all-in-one kit. To get you sorted, these kits come with 120 bits. So you have suitable bits for every task, and when you need to restock, TradeTools provides 239 and 145 piece kits, so you'll never run out. Within the included kit is a full array of cutting discs, sanding drums, polishing wheels, and shaping bits. These kits ensure you have the exact bit required to commence your work immediately, without having to purchase secondary tools. You can keep your workspace tidy and organized with the robust canvas storage bag. It has an outer pocket perfect for your commonly used bits, and a sturdy carry handle and quality zipper. Never lose a bit again. If you need a quality rotary tool for a great price, pick up the Renegade Industrial 170 watt rotary tool kit today. Available in-store and online at TradeTools.com. Be sure to like and follow us for all the best deals and learn about the latest tools.